guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is a really exciting one for me because I have got some Madam Glam. I got an email from a lovely lady from Madam Glam asking me if I'd like to try out some of their gel polishes, and I was like, nah, I'm alright, thanks. Not. Obviously I said yes, so here they are. Let's take a look inside the box. Now, how cute is this box, guys? Look at this pink padding. So they've sent me this mini LED lamp, and they've sent me 4 colours, the top coat and the base coat. Look at these bottles, guys. I love these bottles. Look at them. So they're 15ml glass bottles. I love this lid. Look at that lid. What I like about these bottles is it doesn't matter how you store your bottles. If you store them on a rack, you've got the colour on the label. If you store them like me in a box and you need to see them from the top, you can see the colour from the top. These bottles are really well thought out. So like I say, the 15ml glass bottles. On the back you've got the ingredients, the directions, must be cured in an LED light for 30 seconds or a UV light for 2 minutes. And then it's got the address on the back there, which I love. All Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty free, 9-free formula and HEMA free. These are one of the best brands out there. I could not believe it when they emailed me. Could not believe it. For Madam Glam to contact me is like a dream come true. So the colours that they've sent me is My Oh My, Bright Honey, Vanilla Sky and Cupid. I think I'm going to do this video a little bit different, guys. I think I'm going to do a nail art design in this video instead of just swatching them, because I really want to see how they work for freehand and nail art. So yeah, I think as well as swatching these, I'm going to do a little design with them. So let's crack on, shall we? Let's start by looking at the base coat first. It's actually a really nice consistency. It's not one of these really thick base coats. I'd say it's more on the thinner side, but it's not watery. It's just a really nice consistency. And it's hardly got any smell to it either. The top coat, again, it's not watery, so we shall give them a try. Also, you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen that I've got a discount code there for you guys. GG30, all capital letters. Now, to use my discount code, you need to go by the link that I'm going to leave in my description box, and I shall also pin it in the comments as well. So to use my discount code, you go onto Madam Glam's website via the link, and then at checkout pop in my discount code, and that will save you 30%. But I shall tell you more about that at the end. So let's take a look at this cute little lamp. Ooh, look at that. How cute is that? I love that. So inside the box you get the user manual. And with this one, you press this button once for 45 seconds. If you press it twice, that's 60 seconds. And then you press it 3 times to turn it back off. It is a 6 watt. It shows you how to use it. Cautions, warranty, customer service. So let's have a little look, shall we? So it's a USB adapter. Ooh, and it's got ever such a long cord. Look at this length of this cord, guys. Look at all that. It's a really nice length. I like that. I really like that. So you pop the cord in the back like so. So you press it, you press this button once and that gives you 45 seconds. Twice, that gives you 60 seconds. The third time turns it off. So you've got 6 little LEDs. So you can either have it standing up like this, or you can close the legs up and just hold it over like this. These are great for people that's just starting doing their own nails from home, because it's just easy to use, it's easy to store, or if you're traveling, these are great for traveling with because they're just so small. But what I like about these, when I'm using my practice hand, I have to hold my big lamp over, but because these are a bit higher than a normal lamp, I can have my practice hand there and I can just pop that over like that, and then I can get on and do what I want to do with my hands instead of having to physically hold it there. This is going to save me so much time. I'm really happy about this. And apparently these are pokey little things as well. So we're going to be using this in the video today. We'll give it a go, see how it performs. Right, I'm not going to base coat these because these are already pre-buffed, and I shall be using the base coat on the tips that I do the design on, so you'll see me using that base coat then. Once we swatch these, we'll crack on with a quick, simple, easy design. So let's get on and swatch these tips very quickly, and then we can get on with some design work. So first up is Cupid. Right, honey. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful yellow. Vanilla Sky. And this one is my, oh my. Ooh, that smells like bubble gum, guys. Why does it smell like bubble gum? That's crazy. It actually smells like bubble gum. Such a nice smell. Love that. Look at the coverage on that one. And I do super thin coats, as you can see. Look at the coverage on that. Wow. So I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds, and then I shall give them a second coat very quickly. So let's see how this lamp gets on, shall we? Right, so now I'm going to be using the Madam Glam Soak Off Top Coat. Now this is a top coat that cures with a tacky layer. So once you've cured this top coat, you need to then go in with a lint-free wipe with some isopropyl alcohol and just remove that tacky layer. But Madam Glam do sell non-wipe top coats as well. Oh, it applies so smooth. Love how that applies. So there you are, guys. That's them all had 2 coats and coat of the Madam Glam shiny top coat. Look how shiny that top coat is. So shiny. It is like a glass. Really nice top coat. And these gel polishes are super opaque. I do really thin coats, and 2 thin coats has covered them beautifully. Beautifully. So let's crack on and get a design done with them and see how I get on with them for nail art. So I'm going to start with applying the Madam Glam base coat on all 4 nails. I'm not going to do the thumb today, guys, because you can't really see what I'm doing with that thumb. That cures for 30 seconds. Now I'm using Cupid. Right, now I'm using the Madam Glam top coat. I'm going to pop a bit of this on my palette. And I'm going to run my liner brush through that. Now I want this to be super fine, so I'm going to get rid of some of the excess off the brush. So I'm going to give that a 30-second cure, and then I'm going to use this silver chrome powder. I'm going to rub that into this top coat. Then again, I'm going to take this liner brush. Again, get rid of the excess. And I'm just going to seal this chrome powder in. Now I'm using a lint-free white with some isopropyl alcohol on it. And I'm just going to get rid of this excess powder. So that is them all done, guys. What do you think? I really like them. They're bang on trend right now. And I just love this nail bed colour, Cupid. Love, love, love that. So when Madam Glam contacted me, they asked me if I had any preference to any of the colours. And there was a colour called Rosy Nude. And it is a really nice nail bed colour. And when I asked about it, they said it was out of stock, and I was absolutely gutted. So I tried to find one very similar. And so I come across Cupid, and I asked if I could try that. And I'm really pleased I did. I'm really happy with that colour. That is definitely going to be my go-to nail bed colour for sure. It's not quite pink, it's not quite nude. It's just a perfect nail bed colour. I love it. So all these gel polishes were so opaque. It was really nice to work with. They didn't bleed out. As you can see, them lines, they're super, super crisp. I'm really happy with these gel polishes. I love them. So yeah, like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, I shall leave my link to Madam Glam's website in my description box, and I shall also pin it in the comments as well. You'll also find there my discount code, which is GG30. So remember to use that and save yourself 30% off. Also, they do a VIP membership. If anyone's interested in that, if you head on over to the website, you should find all the information that you want on that. I just want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these to try. Really, really appreciate that, and I absolutely love them. The mini lamp is a real pokey lamp. It cured these perfect every time. There was no wrinkling. Yeah, it's a really pokey little lamp. So yeah, that is everything for this video, guys. I really hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.